Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pixel 7 off and ejecting the SIM tray so you don't damage connectors. Then heat the rear camera area for 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive. Once warmed, use a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to lift the camera glass edge gently, apply steady, even pressure so you avoid cracking nearby glass. Make sure to keep track of any screws or tiny parts in a tray. You're already in motion. Proceed carefully to the exposed camera module. Next, remove the small bracket securing the camera using a T5 screwdriver. Keep screws organized by location so reassembly is error-free. Once the bracket is out, disconnect the camera flex cable using a plastic spudger and take the module out carefully. Avoid touching the sensor glass to prevent scratches. After removal, clean the frame and remaining adhesive with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab so the new glass bonds well. Once clean and dry, align the replacement glass before applying new adhesive. Install the adhesive and place the replacement camera glass, aligning it to the camera opening. Press evenly to seat the adhesive and let it set briefly. Reinstall the camera module and bracket, reconnecting the flex cable securely and replacing screws in their original positions. Once reassembled, power on the phone and test all camera functions: front, rear, wide, and flash. If you see focus problems or flash anomalies, make sure the camera connector is fully seated and clean. Reseat the cable and retest to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.